Theta is belongs to first quadrant. Let the eccentricity and the length of lattice rectum of the hyperbola be E1 and L1 respectively, and let the eccentricity and length of lattice rectum of the ellipse be E2 and L2 respectively. And if E1 square equal to E2 square into secant square theta plus 1, then what about this value we should find? Okay. Now see here the hyperbola equation, convert to standard form. Further divide with 8. Okay. Then x square by 8 minus y square by 8. Secant square we can write 1 by cos square. So cos square theta is equal to 1. Here 8 is greater than or equal to 8 cos square theta, right? Clearly. So here transverse axis clearly on x axis. And then from this we can find what is E1 square, eccentricity of the hyperbola. We have the formula 1 plus b square by a square. So 8 cos square theta by 8. 8 cancel. We will get E1 square is clearly 1 plus cos square theta. Next, from the ellipse equation observe. Dividing with 6 means x square by 6 cos square theta we will get plus y square by 6 is equal to 1. Here major axis is clearly on y axis because 6 is greater than or equal to 6 cos square theta. Then the eccentricity formula is E2 square is equal to 1 minus smaller by bigger only, no, so 6 cos square theta by 6. So 1 minus cos square theta means what happened now? Sin square theta. Now we have the relation here E1 square equal to E2 square into this one. So E1 square means 1 plus cos square theta is equal to E2 square means sin square theta. And this is the one we can write 1 by cos square and take LCM. Then we will get 1 plus cos square theta by cos square theta. 1 plus cos square is cancelled. Now sin square by cos square means tan square theta is 1. So that tan square theta is 1 means what happened now? Theta value clearly pi by 4 because only one value will satisfy 0 to pi by 2 here, right? Next, L1, L2 we should find length of lattice rectum of hyperbola and ellipse. L1 formula is what? 2 times of b square by a. Okay, so b square means what here? 8 cos square theta. So 8 cos square theta means what? Cos pi by 4, no? 1 by root 2 whole square means 1 by 2. 8 2b square by a. A means what here? Root 8. Root 8 means 2 root 2. Now this 2 cancel. 2 1s are 2 4s are, and 4 by root 2 means what? Clearly L1 value as 2 root 2. We will get it. Next, what about L2? L2 formula is what? 2 times of a square by b because here major axis on y axis. So a square means what now? 6 cos square theta. 6 cos square theta means again 1 by 2 only we will get it, no? By here root 6 b value 2 a square by b value is root 6, right? 2 cancel. So L2 value is clearly root 6. We will get it. Fine. Now what is E1 and E2? Whenever you are taking theta value as pi by 4 here, we will calculate what about E1 actually now? E1 value is clearly root over 1 plus cos square theta, right? So root over 1 plus cos square theta means what now? 1 by 2 only, no? Because at theta is pi 4, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. That means what? 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is root 3 by 2. Similarly, what about E2? E2 is clearly see sin square theta only under the root. So that means only sin theta. Sin theta means 1 by root 2. Now these are all the values we can substitute in the given expression. See the given expression is what? L1 L2 by E1 E2 into tan square theta. Okay. What is L1? 2 root 2. What is L2? Root 6. By what is E1? Root 3. Root over completely 3 by 2, right? So root 3 by root 2 we can write. What about E2? 1 by root 2. And tan square theta is clearly 1 only, right? Now this is the one we have to calculate, right? Root 2 into root 2 will be 2. And when you take to numerator, it will become 4 root 2. And root 6 by root 3 part is there. That we can write here what? Root 2 into root 3 and 1 root 3 is cancelled. Now root 2 into root 2 will be 2. 2 4s are 8. We got it. So our answer is 8.